Hi, I'll show you how to fold an origami necktie from a dollar bill. For example, as a cash gift for Father's Day, or generally as a money gift for men. First, place your money bill in front of you like this, and then fold the long edge onto the long edge. If the folding is too fast or too slow for you, you can adjust the playback speed in the YouTube player at any time. Always trace the folded edges with your fingernails to make your origami tie really pretty. Then open the fold again. Now fold these two corners to the guideline you have just created. This creates two triangles. By the way, if you have a real keyboard in front of you, you can pause and resume the video by pressing the space bar or the dedicated play/pause key. Repeat the same two folds on the other side of the dollar. Turn your bill back in front of you like this, and then fold the bottom long edge to the guideline in the middle. Make the same fold on the opposite side. Please let me know in the comments what occasion you'll be giving this creative cash gift for. Maybe to your dad for Father's Day? I'm already curious. I'm going to give this dollar origami tie to my husband as a present. I'm sure he'll be delighted. Next, turn your dollar bill over. Check which tip is to the left of the word 1 and memorize it. Then, turn your bill back and fold the memorized tip over here to create a triangle. The folded edge runs between the other two corners of the triangle. These folds are the preparations for the tie knot. Your dollar should now look like this. Turn it over. Fold this short edge approximately between O and N. And then use this tip to fold this edge towards you. Once you have done this, turn your dollar bill back to the rear. Now pull this corner towards the center line. This will open it up and form a triangle. At the edge to the right of the corner shown, lift the top layer and pull it towards the center line. This opens up the corner into a triangle, which you set up nicely and then press flat. The folded edge should run diagonally downwards from the center line to this corner. You'll see how it's supposed to look when completed, then it's easier to understand. I'll repeat the same fold on the opposite side. Then you can see it again. Now you can see the small triangle on the left that opened up from the corner when we pulled it towards the center, and the slanted folded edge to the bottom right corner, which looks like this from the front of the tie. This will be the typical taper of the tie towards the knot. To do this, repeat the same fold on this side of the money bill. At the corner, lift the top layer and pull it towards the center line. The corner opens up again and becomes a triangle that you just have to press flat. Make sure that the second triangle also ends at this edge so that the necktie ends up symmetrical. And you need the same diagonal folded edge from this corner to the top towards the tie knot. Don't worry, after that there are just 4 super simple folds, and then you will have folded an origami necktie from a dollar bill. Give yourself and the video a thumbs up if you've lasted this long. Now there are just 4 finishing touches left. First, fold this corner away by drawing a folded edge from here to this corner. And of course, you repeat the same fold as similarly as possible on the other side. And then fold these 2 top tips of the dollar bill down here so that your origami necktie gets a nice knot. Please consider leaving me a small tip via the Super Thanks feature. Thank you. And if you are interested in cash gift ideas and origami instructions, subscribe to my channel for free and also activate the bell. See you next time on Folding with Yvonne.